Let me show you where the secret camera is. Right here. This is where the camera is. Now y'all seem to enjoy when I review random camera gears because I'm getting thousands of views on those videos. So now I've come with another one, and this is, let me unbox it for y'all. You should have seen it in the thumbnail anyways. This is a pen camera. So again, it's another surveillance camera that looks like a pen. So you can put it on your clothes and it will be filming the person. So let me show you where the secret camera is. Right here. This is where the camera is. Do you see? Do you see? It's so discreet, you would not know that there's a camera there. So now I'm going to test how it actually works and show you guys. So I just discovered where to charge it, and this is where, oh, why is it? Yeah, this is where you charge it. You open up the camera, the pen, and here you charge it. Insane. It comes with a couple of pen, a USB charger, and there's a small tiny plier in it. I don't understand what it's used for, but we're going to figure it out now. So let me open this and put in the ink. This is what this is called ink, right? Yeah, we're going to put this in. Oh, there is one in it already, so if this one is done, you can always replace it with this one. So we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extra ink. Of course, you have to be writing while you're filming so that it does not look too suspicious. Yeah, I think I'll leave the one inside now. So apparently this slot here, can you see there's a slot, not with the USB, but there's a slot up here. That is where you put the memory card that you're going to use to store the footage. Let me try this. So good thing I have an extra memory card here. I have actually a lot. Which one should I use? I think this one. I'm rich in memory cards. So I just figured out how to slot it in. You just put it in like this. So this is the memory card and this is the pen. Just slot it in very tightly, push it in, don't be afraid to push it in, and then scroll it back on. Ta-da! It's done. And this is the power on button. You're going to click on it for a few seconds until this light turns on, and if you hold it for a few more seconds, oh, it will turn off. So I hope you're seeing it. Yeah, you see now. Yeah, it's turned on, the indicator is turned on, and if you hold it for a few more seconds, it will turn off. So that's basically how to turn it on and off with this button up here. Now we have to figure out how to connect it to our phone, to our computer device. Actually, you can connect it to any device you want to. So apparently you have to connect it via USB cable, so you can connect it directly to your computer. Good thing I have this connector here. It doesn't come with the pen camera. I just got it to be able to connect anything to anything basically. So now I'm going to connect it like this, and then put this is the USB cable it comes with. I'm going to connect it like this and then slot it into the camera like this. Yeah, and it's connected. This is because I'm connecting it to my phone. To your computer, you can just connect it directly. You don't need this extra thing going on here. Yeah, so now I'm going to files, and I'm going to go see what's up with it. Now on the instructions it says power on, how to use power on and record video. So to power on and record the video, press the top button for 3 seconds until the blue light flash 3 times, and then go out To check the working state, you have to press the top button one time to check if your camera is recording. If the blue light flash one time and then go out, your camera is recording a video. Okay, so now let me click on it one time. The blue light did not flash, so it's not currently recording a video. Now let's do it. Let's click on it for 3 seconds and then see if the blue light flashes. Oh yeah. Oh, I forgot to show it. So let me show you how it works. So click on it for 3 seconds. Did you see it flashed 3 times? And hopefully now it's recording. So to prove that it is currently recording, we have to click on it one time and see if it flashes one time. No, it's not. Let me do it again. Let's run this back. 3 seconds is flashing 3 times. Good. Now to prove that it's still filming, they said we should click on it once. I'm not seeing any light. I guess we'll find out when we check the SD card. Now let's check the SD card. Good thing I have my SD card adapter here. I'll leave a link to one of these in the description box. I'm not. So the moment of truth, I'm going to find out if it actually filmed. I'm not seeing anything. I am really not seeing anything. Oh my god, this is so disappointing. So since it's currently not doing what I wanted to do, I would first charge it. Maybe when I charge it, it's going to work, and I'm going to come back to show it to y'all. So I'm back again. So the thing is, when I charged it, I forgot that I was doing something and I had to go somewhere with my mom. So this is the next day. Let's try this again. This is the camera. I have to put the SD card in. Wait a minute. I'm putting in the SD card, as you can see. Let it rain, let it fall. What we have is worth dying for. This thing keeps scratching my SD card. I don't like that. Well, anyways, now to turn it on based on the instructions. So it said we should click on this for 3 seconds and the blue light will turn on. So let's do that. I believe it has done that, even though I did not catch that on camera. So now I'm going to just leave it here like this for 2 seconds and see what it does. Now I'm going to see, now to stop filming, you have to hold it for 3 seconds. The indicator would show red 3 times. Now it did. So let me check out what it has filmed. I hope it does not spoil my SD card because it keeps scratching it. So I just put the SD card in the adapter and plugged it to my phone. So we want to see if it actually filmed.